Magandang araw po. Ako si Fatima Ishikuya. At tuturuan ko namin kayong mag-assembly at disassembly ng system unit. Hello, so now we'll disassemble the system unit. First, let's remove the case. And now remove the optical disk drive. First, remove the cables that are attached to it. Make sure that you don't put anything on top of the system unit case. Remove all the cables that are attached to the motherboard and the hard disk drive. We will give all of the names of the cables on the assembling part of the system unit. After removing all of the cables, we can now remove the power supply. Now let's remove the hard disk drive by unscrewing the screws that are attached to it. And again, make sure that you don't put it on top of the system unit case. It's time to remove the front panel. And now remove the front panel cables. Unscrew the screw on it. And then just give it a little push on the side to unlock it. And now carefully remove the RAM by pushing those two white things on the side of it. Make sure to only hold the RAM like this to avoid damage. And now carefully remove the screws on the motherboard. Carefully remove the motherboard. Make sure not to touch the motherboard directly and only hold on to the CPU fan. Clean up the workstation before you put down the motherboard. Next, unscrew the CPU fan. Then take out the central processing unit or the CPU. And now we're done.
First, install the CPU on the CPU socket. Next, install heatsink with CPU pan. Install RAM or random access memory. Close the RAM with bolt to be locked in RAM slot. Next, return the motherboard on the case and tighten the screw to the case. Next, install the front panel cable connection and connect to the motherboard. Return the hard disk drive on the system case. Next, return the power supply. Connect the computer power supply PSU to the port and connect the 4-pin ball power cable. Connect the SATA power cable to the hard disk. Red SATA cable connect to the hard disk. The other fork of SATA cable connect to the motherboard. Connect the ribbon wire to the side of case, and the other fork of ribbon wire connect to the motherboard. The power cable connect to the motherboard, and the other fork of power cable connect to the optical disc drive. The Molex connector connect to optical disc drive. Push down the optical disc drive to lock. And now, return the cover of system unit.